In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a Google Sheet. When we talk about password protecting a Google Sheet, we're really talking about controlling who can open it and what they can do once they're inside. Google Sheets doesn't have a traditional single password you type in like an old-school Excel file. Instead, it uses Google account permissions and sharing settings to keep your data safe. I'll walk you through how to lock things down so only the people you trust can view or edit your sheet, and how to restrict certain parts so they can't be changed accidentally. First, open the Google Sheet you want to protect. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you juggle work and personal accounts. At the top right, click the Share button. This is the control center for who has access to your file. If your sheet is currently set to anyone with the link, that means anyone who gets that link can open it, so you'll want to change that. Switch it to restricted, so only specific people you choose can get in. Now, add only the people you want to access the sheet by typing in their email addresses. For each person, you can choose whether they're a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Viewers can only look, commenters can leave notes, and editors can change the content. If this information is sensitive, avoid giving out editor access unless it's absolutely necessary. When you're done, click Send. This alone already acts like a password system, because only logged-in accounts you've approved will be able to open the sheet. Next, let's protect specific parts of the sheet from being edited. Go to the top menu and click Data. Then choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. A panel will open on the right. Here, you can either protect the entire sheet or just a certain range of cells, like a column with financial data or a table of formulas. Select the range you want. Give it a clear description so you remember what it is later, and then set the permissions. You'll see options to restrict who can edit that range. You might allow only yourself or a small group of trusted collaborators. You can also show a warning when someone tries to edit, which is useful if you just want people to be extra careful. Save your changes, and those cells are now locked down. Finally, always double-check by trying to access the sheet from another account or asking a colleague to confirm what they can and can't do. Taking a moment to review your settings ensures your Google Sheet is effectively password protected and your data stays secure.